Smart shower panel, thermostatic ever, intelligent shower. Choose Armal brand shower panels. Dialog design is European modern art, with the smooth lines and individual fashion, being simple and elegant. Unique designed silicone particles for head spray and body spa. Easy to clean by pressing lightly. LED dynamic touchscreen adopts smart control chips from Korea. Easy to use and sensitive reactions. Music and call via Bluetooth to fully enjoy shower and free your hands. The TPCS 3D core heating part adopts professional version for aerospace, fully sealed and covered. No deforming, no scale foaming. Heat efficiency up to 98.6%. Instant outlet hot water, constant and stable flowing. Water and electricity isolation, keeping electricity leakage away technically. Safe and reliable, not easy to form border scales. The 3 protections will ensure your safety. Manufactured quite well with exquisite crafts. Anti-corrosion for life length up to 20 years. Upgrade shower tray for heat recycling. Surprisingly to see 20% of bills coming. Customized functions, auto memory for shower temperature, one-time set, one-touch operation, instant outlet for 35 to 55 degree hot water, suitable for tubs. Head shower is SUS pattern pressure boosted by turbo, large flow but gentle, no tingle feeling. Armal shower water heater can also supply hot water for the whole family to use easily. Enjoy showering at any time you want. More comfortable, healthier, modern and new shower experience. Love her, love family, love our life.